Hi bestie, welcome back to part 10 of 30 in our series on making your handmade product line. Today we're going to look at another option for your sales funnel, and we're going to look at Etsy shops today. Hey beautiful. Okay, so today we're on Etsy. I'm going to set up a new account to show you how it's done, because when I previously used Etsy, that business is now closed. Okay bestie, so I'm going to show you quickly how you would set up an Etsy shop and then discuss the costs, the benefits and the disadvantages. So we're going to register here. Okay, so just fill in your details and hit register. Okay, so go to view here, this little face, and view profile. Okay, so to put in details, hit edit profile. Here you can choose what should be your face. People want to see your face when they're buying from you, okay? And then just go ahead and fill out your details here. Okay, and if you hit here and go to account settings, you'll end up here, and then you can connect to Facebook, Google Plus, and Twitter accounts. Okay, and here is sell on Etsy. Hit this to set up a seller's account, and then open Etsy shop. Select your language, country your shop is in, currency, whether or not selling is your full-time job, part-time, other. Okay, then save and continue. Here choose a shop name. Your shop name does need to be unique and can have no spaces in it or special characters. Okay, check availability, not available. Okay, what I normally do is add an extra J. Let's see how that goes. That is available. Save and continue. Okay, and this is where we stock our storefront on Etsy. These are the only options you'd have on Etsy for displaying, organizing your products. You can make sections. So say socks section, scarf section. Here it's telling that you can have up to 10 photos per product. Okay, and it's giving suggestions of different ways you can display your product. Okay, so find a picture of whatever you're selling on your computer and just open that. For prints, a little awkward. You really do need to print it out and take more photos, but this is just a demo. I don't normally sell digital. I don't normally sell digital. I normally sell as prints from my website. Okay, and here just fill out your details. Okay, and here's where we select whether or not it's a physical or a digital product, and whether or not we want to manually renew our listings or have it happen automatically. The listings cost 20p each, and that lasts for 4 months and is for each, let's say, each listing you put up. Okay, and down here is where we add tags. Okay, people will maybe search for art print, your print, or art print. It's going to help them find that near the top of the listings. Okay, so I filled those out. I filled out description, digital, manual for listing, and all the measurement details, etc. Title. Here we put in our price, quantity you're selling. Here's SKU, it's for your use only, buyers won't see it. You can learn more here. And if you have personalizations available, you can click this and fill out these details, but I don't. Okay, and here is if you have a digital product, this is where you upload it. So it's been uploaded from the computer. Hit save and continue. Okay, and now that's listed. We just continue doing this for our 10-piece product line. Okay, so now you've put in your 10 product. Let's save and continue. This is how you will get paid. Okay, you just need to select country, GDP, and fill in your bank details. Okay, and then fill out your details here, address, name, telephone number, and then you'll save and continue. And see here, you'll need to confirm your account via your email. Do this before you put in your details. They will be saved, but you won't have to go through this again. Okay, now that's done, we set up billing, which is the final step. Okay, so you're just going to finish putting in your personal details on the final page and hit open shop. So this is our shop homepage. One of the benefits is, of course, they will handle the payments for you. Okay, obviously you still need to keep updated and send out whatever products there are and deal with customer queries. Okay, so we put 2 items on our list for you listed items. Okay, and here we are. So you can edit, renew the listing, promote, copy, deactivate or delete it. Okay, and remember it's 20p per listing per 4 months. And you can see all of our keywords down here. Okay guys, so that is a quick run over on selling on Etsy. Okay besties, don't forget to grab that training down below and follow along with the videos. That link is www.joreilly.com/formula. I'll see you tomorrow besties and broasties.